Let me come to talk about a thing when I see I go on social media with the two lawmen them who crashing at each other at Jamaica, and then both of them is on the sidewalk spread out. Jamaica government need to stop undermining the problem that's going on within the country, which is drinking and driving while intoxicated. So many accidents I've seen on social media, and most of them things stem from people being drunk, driving with people that's not intoxicated, causing accident, causing harm. The law and the regulation need to change for drinking and driving under the influence in Jamaica. Because somebody losing them life is not a good thing, no time at all. And it's not a tragedy when somebody drink and then go up on the road under the influence and go kill somebody else. That's not a tragedy, that's murder. I don't need to take them things very seriously in Jamaica. And when since Jamaica become the world internet and TV, somebody please, may I ask you, explain it to me. I never thought I would have lived to see the day when Jamaica becomes the world entertainment. Meaning, you have everybody in the world right now that's vlogging. Everybody, when them get up in the morning, most people on TikTok, they must stream through the Jamaican catalog because here we go on. Them know it's a pay drama. You see me? Pay action. You see me? Suspense. It's a thrill ride when them go up on the Jamaican TikTok or Jamaican social media, for that matter. When things we become the world enjoyment, entertainment, for the world to sit and watch. Yes, hello, good night. Welcome to Global Watch Media. Please tell a friend, and we again. Listen, when things Jamaica become the world internet and TV, somebody please, may I ask you, explain it to me. I never thought I would have lived to see the day when Jamaica becomes the world entertainment. Meaning, you have everybody in the world right now that's vlogging or blogging, doing vlogging about Jamaica. That's not from Jamaica. Right now, everybody, when them get up in the morning, most people on TikTok, they must stream through the Jamaican catalog because here we go on. Them know it's a pay drama. You see me? Pay action. You see me? Suspense. It's a thrill ride when them go up on the Jamaican TikTok or Jamaican social media. For that boy, them have me a chop outside in the cold. I tell it to little clad. Girl at the easy at night time. Freezing. Big up on yourself though, you know. Yeah man, we're up on the trappy man. Outside. Cool. Yeah. Look at the girl Melissa touchdown in America. Because in New York, I mean, I tell you so the amount of breeze will blow in New York. But they are watch for the storm same way. Hopefully, it destroy the whole of New York. You see me? Because New York not built for storm. So when it come, a real disaster. Remember, a pay brick building, it destroy almost the whole of New York. So we there watch for this Melissa thing here, and hopefully it turn out better. You see me? Jamaica today I come for asking a question. Really. I'm not come here. I'm not come close. I want to ask you a question. Jamaicans, you don't grow up as a Zionist? Meaning, you don't grow up worshipping Judaism, or you grow up as a Christian? I really want to ask this question because trying to convert our nation over from Christianity to Judaism. Are we going to just sit back and allow that to happen? So, 1 minute we are God's favorite people, the chosen one. And the next minute, we are the devil's favorite people. Make it make sense. Because this can't happen in Jamaica. Not under my watch. Never. It cannot happen. You see me? Because them people here, them have my loving of them heart. When them come through, and nothing but destruction. Destruction them left. And them will come to take your resources and left nothing but destruction in the wake of them. Apparently, them have a person at Jamaica. They call himself Stinger Blade 7. Stinger Blade 7, a message here for you, my youth. You hear me talk, right? And I voice my opinion for the nation, right? For you to get help, right? And what you do, you come on and eat my comment. And you tell me, say, I catch you and catch me. You want to catch me? A man you catch? You don't want to your brother. You see me? And you go say, I catch you and catch me. Well, since you want to catch me, all you have to do, I just come and water house. Simple. Come and water house, man. Better health care. You know what I say? Better school system. Better housing. You know what I say? And the same people them I turn around on social media. I want to threaten you because of the way you are dealing with your thing. Them not advice for them opinion, you know. And them not threaten the person who them supposed to threaten, you know. Them are threatening you as a social media personnel. You see me? But my you, me tell you, me tell the Prime Minister I'm not afraid of him, I'm not afraid of you. And you don't want to really play with me, my you, because you don't even know who me is. So I bet you chill. You hear that? You don't see people and don't know people and just want to run in them out. So since you want to pick up for the Prime Minister so much, and don't worry. Thank you for making me know everything. Alright? Stinger. And that's the name? Stinger Blade 7. Don't worry. You want to catch me, right? Alright.